Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, we are going to discuss how you can set up your Fiverr account and how you can get started with Fiverr. I know a lot of you guys have problems like you are not getting clients on Fiverr and it seems like this big freelancing platform do not work because a lot of people are already there. But it is not true guys. There is this one simple strategy to get clients on Fiverr and I will show you how you guys can get your first one through my videos. It's going to be like a mini series where we will start with first we will see how you can create your account on Fiverr, what all options you need to get clients on Fiverr, and then how to create your gig properly so that you can get clients. So tell me in the comment box below if you guys have any particular doubts and what kind of videos you guys want to see in this series. I will answer all of your doubts and will include those things in my videos. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, let's start with opening Fiverr. And after opening Fiverr, you can see here become a seller option. So click on become a seller and it opens like this window. So now you have to again select become a seller and enter your email here, or you can even use the other sign-in options like sign in through Facebook, Google and Apple. So choose accordingly like how you want to sign in. I use Fiverr using Google, so I'm going to just click on continue with Google. So now finally you have signed into Fiverr and you have to click on this become a seller option again. So I'm going to click on it. Now you have to simply click on continue and again click on continue and again click on continue. Now you have to start filling up your information like your first name, your profile picture, your description like about you, what you are doing, what is your occupation. If you are a student, you have to mention that you are a student and what are the languages you can speak. So enter your full name here, add your profile picture like the picture in which client can see you properly, and in description add all the things like if you are a student then add it like I'm a student, I'm working as a freelancer. And now you have to enter the languages like what are the languages you know. Here English is basic English is compulsory because the client base on Fiverr is global. English is like global language, so you need to know a little bit English. Here I am going to put fluent because I can talk in English easily, so I'm going to put fluent here, and in Hindi I'm going to put native because Hindi is my native language, and I'm going to click on continue. So after clicking on continue, you will see this professional page like you have to enter your occupation, what you currently do, and below that you have to enter the skills which you have. Below the skills you have to enter your educations and put all the certificates you have, like the certificates in the skills which you have like video editing, photo editing and all. So put your certificates here. And so let's start with occupation. So I do freelancing as occupation because I provide services like writing and video editing. So I'm going to put video and animation here, and I'm doing video editing since 2019 until now. And now I have to choose 2 to 5 best skills that I have in video editing. Like I can create lyric and music videos, I can do intros and outros. So I have checked all the boxes which I can do properly. Now next, moving on to writing. Again you have to write the years like since when you are doing, and you have to choose 2 to 5 best skills you have in writing. So basically I have filled this already and I am showing to you guys. And below this I will enter my skills. So here I have written video editing and freelance writer. And if you want to add some new skill, you have to click on add new and write some skill like copy writing, experience, intermediate and add. So this is pretty easy, right? Fill all the skills you have. And moving on to education, you need to put your university here. If you are in some university, you have to first select your country, then your university name and title and some major you are in. So fill all this information, put your certificates here as I already told you, like all the certificates in the skills which you are going to provide on Fiverr. And below this certification you need to put your personal website. I don't have my personal website, I basically have a YouTube channel, so I'm going to put the link of my YouTube channel here. But if you have some portfolio or YouTube channel or personal website, then you guys can put it here and you have to click on continue. Now they are asking to verify your social media accounts like Google, Facebook and Twitter. So I have signed in using Google, so they have already verified my account. But if you have signed in your email ID, you need to do this. And you can even connect your Facebook and Twitter to Fiverr. Now after doing this, you can click on continue. So now you have to verify your email ID and your phone number. So now here option will come like add email ID. Here it is showing verified because I have already done this. But if you have not done it already, then you have to enter your email ID here and they will send some email on your mail ID. So you need to go on your mail ID and click on verify my account. Like some button will come, button box kind of thing will come, and you have to click on verify my email ID and they will redirect it to Fiverr. So you have to verify your email like this and add your phone number to verify it. So clicking on add phone number, you have to enter your country and your phone number here. And you have to click on verify by SMS. They will send you some OTP on your mobile number and you have to verify it. So after doing it, click on finish. Now it is asking me like confirm your phone number, provide your education details and provide your certifications. Because right now I have not provided this. I already have a different Fiverr account. So I'm not going to override my information again here. But simply when you will click on finish, your process will be finished. Like this is the last step that you need to do to create an account on Fiverr. So now you have created your Fiverr account and you can start putting your first gig here. So that's it for the video guys. Now like you guys know how you can get started with Fiverr, and in upcoming videos we will see how you can create your gig so that you can easily get your first client, how you can rank your gig on Fiverr and all these things. And I will link all the videos as soon as I will upload them in the description box below. Until then, if you guys found this video useful, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video.